Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something different than I usually do. I'm sharing an abstract watercolor painting, and I have another video on my channel today where I use cutouts from such a watercolor painting in my artwork. I have absolutely no plan today. I'm just painting shapes, adding water, adding colors, and I just play completely intuitively. You have so many different options to use these paintings when they are finished. You can die cut them. They look really pretty when you, for example, die cut a butterfly or some other shapes. You can also just cut out simple circles or squares and use them in your art journal or on a greeting card, for example. It's also a nice way to explore your art supplies, and I love to do this with my watercolors because I'm a really big fan of watercolors, but I am of course not a watercolor artist. I am not really good in painting with watercolors. But I enjoy playing with them and I love how they behave, and I love the bright colors, and that's just fun, and it brings me to a creative level where I can keep on working on other projects. It's just to start off, it's kind of a warm-up for me. I'm working with the Mijello Mission Gold watercolors today, and I'm using the Canson XL watercolor paper. To finish up the piece, I add some mark making by using different stamps. These are from the Rubber Dance Whale Wishes stamp set, and I also use a white paint marker to add some dots and different lines. I am almost done with my painting. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to check out the little mini album I made using some cutouts from such a watercolor piece. Thanks for watching, bye!